So how you doing today? Are you doing great today? So if you aren't, let's go sing. Let's make the day really, really great. And by warming ourselves up, moving those endorphins around, oh yeah. Falsetto, head voice, we're not going to do it too low. Let's do it that way. I think that'll be fun. Okay, so we're going to do it. Make sure you're keeping the mouth open. And again, head voice, it is warming to the voice. It is soothing. And if you go high, it's extending your range. It's keeping you very healthy. You can go up into the mix if you want. You can do chest voice in the beginning, going into head voice. But remember, if you're going to do chest and get loud down here, you've got to lighten up early. Why do you have to do that? Because you're going to crash and burn, honey. If you go too high and too loud, don't want to do that. So if you're having that habit when you're going into head voice, then know that you're staying too loud too late. You've got to ease off earlier, get lighter earlier. Okay. Here we go, darlings. I'm getting ready, darling. Here we go. And hey. Oh yeah. Think of rhythm. If my fingers don't work. Now you've got to lighten, or else you won't be in head or falsetto. Woo! Yeah. My fingers are working. Oh, thank you. Woo! Move that body. Yay! Oh yeah, follow the bouncing girl. Not too loud though. Think opera, darling. Hey. We're not going to take it too high. And they say, really, this is high, lady. Back down. My muscles are happy. Make your muscles happy. was I thinking about? Nice and easy now. And relax. Oh, you bad, bad babies. Oh my gosh. Well, you know, that was so relaxing and it was so neat. The muscles really love you to do that nice, easy sound. Take it up as high as you feel comfortable. You can use this as a beginning exercise, and like a lot of them in between when you're doing a really hard, you're doing mix, you're doing chest voice, and you know, you've really pushed a bit. So now do the head voice. If you need to extend your range, go ahead, do that exercise. It's great for you to move your muscles up. But remember, if you are doing chest voice and you're singing really loud at the bottom and you get carried away, don't go high. Change over early, because this exercise is supposed to complement when you do harder exercises. So don't push the voice. Lighten up early so that there isn't this big transition or like that. There's this, oh my gosh, a glitch. All right? Okay. Have a great, great day, guys. Have a great day. Cause it's, subscribe. Such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. See ya.